Pynkupbor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kajialang jigidong shimbenta halor kapang, customization, enhancement, but development to a digital solution, nagabentawan Pynkupbor ginong shongshnong hagatha jitela mingi chongri India, lapenlong haka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences CAU Umyam. Kedigajing tumu gadega project jonggatran Electronics and Information Technology ke Sarkar India. Laitili kijaka pule kata ka DIC New Delhi kenesak Umyam bagi CPG SAS CAU Impal Umyam klaitre lang menpentrekam yakni ke projek. Haka digajinga lang lawani shimbenta di kiru Shampang makin thop yu Professor Yu Gautam Bora u Director Barim jong IIT Guwahati u Manoj Kumar Jain u Bolongru u Senior Director jong Electronics and Information Technology u Dr. Kiki Sharma, u Bedeu in charge Director Jangka Nesak, u Dr. Mukul Sinha, u Director Jangka Expert Software, u Rahul Kumar Newal, u Scientist Jangka Electronics and Information Technology, u Vinay Bhatia, u Penyat Barang Bak Berim Jangka Electronics and Information Technology, baru Dr. Hemlata, u Bedeu Director ke IGNU. Kiji kira kilong halo ke jing penodgam bigi kor ki bor digital men Pynkupbor ki dong shongshnong hakatha jatele mingi dag pen kesani ki lar ki lenti ki bethemai bar ki buit pendroi ki bane.
As I understand, this work is about to be completed, and I think in the March 2025, means within next 3 months, this work exercise will be completed. If we see the components of this project, this integration and applications of UAV in crop health assessment, if we see a research as a part of research component, it is nothing new, because crop health assessment using UAV or satellite data or satellite-based data has already been being done many places. Many students have been done PhD. But important of this exercise here is that how this research is directly related with the grassroots people, that's the farmers. Whether farmers will be benefited. So if this methodology, the technology, what you have has been developed under this, whether it will be directly has impact on the people. Yes, it is supposed to be theoretically, because this exercise has been done on sample basis, only from some selected sites. That means for the selected sites, it is done, but selected sites is experimental. So how this exercise can be translated or expanded as an operational way to the entire region. Because all of you know, UAV is a man-made, means man-operational. It is only a need-based. You cannot run UAV for daily basis in a large area. It is not possible. Technically, as of now, not possible from one side, from one organization.